Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to brighten a face on Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device and you can tap on the plus button to open up any photo from your gallery. Once you have opened a photo that you would like to edit, you will be taken into the Styles menu. Now, if you want to brighten a face on your photo, then tap on the Tools menu and now you will see the brush tool. Tap on this and make sure to choose exposure. After you choose exposure, simply use your brush to brighten the area and hover over it to choose the amount of brighten effect you wish to use. Once you have made the brighten effect that you want, you can tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner and you can proceed with exporting your image with the new brightened settings. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to brighten your face on Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.